what's up guys, we're back for another vlog. This is just a random day one. It is March 28th and today it's my birthday, yeah. And today we are going to the Disney 100 experience in the XL Centre in London. But on the way we are stopping for lunch at EggSlut in Shoreditch on Leonard Street. We've been to one of these before in the US, in Vegas, so we're going to check it out here and see what it's all about. So yeah, let's go. Typical London weather, nice and rainy. All right, we just got back in the car. Typically, we've got some lovely English London weather, which is raining, so we couldn't really do much talking. Couldn't do much talking in the store. The music was really loud, but I've showed like a little picture of what we had. I had the, well, we actually had exactly the same, didn't we? Yeah. Had the sausage, cheese, egg, and Hannah had the sausage, cheese, egg, and we got the truffle mayo, truffle hash browns. And yeah, it was really good. We think it's slightly different seasoning,
something like that, maybe,
to the ones in the US. I mean, obviously we've got different food rules here, so we might not even be allowed to put on the good stuff. But no, really good. I think it was £35, so that was 2 sandwiches, 2 sides, one drink, which, you know, isn't the cheapest, but I think for something like that you probably wouldn't go there every day, so it's, you know, sort of the going rate for that sort of stuff.
A nice birthday treat.
Oh, and a good birthday treat for me. So now we are back in the car. We've got to drive about 20 minutes over to the XL, and then when we get there, it's the Disney 100 experience. So looking forward to checking that out. So let's go and see it.
Let's go.
All right, so we finally arrived in the car park, even though I drove past it twice and done a couple of laps around, which kept Hannah very happy, didn't it?
Well, you didn't listen when I said there it says entrance.
Yeah, so that's good, but we've parked outside the entrance, literally right outside the entrance, so we're going to head on in. Hopefully there's not too much of a line, and then yeah, we'll start seeing some of the stuff inside, which is exciting. Ooh, there's a lot of walking to be done here, and then not a lot of guidance of where we're going. So we're heading outside to the West Podium thing, and that is where the Disney 100 exhibition is. We've only seen one sign in the whole building for it, so hopefully we're heading in the right direction. But but only time will tell. We found the entrance, and it was difficult. But for anyone who wants to know, west entrance just on the left.
Discovery, the magic of sound and music, the world around us, real and imagined, curiosity.
just walked into the second hall where it's a bit quieter. It's quite busy in here. It's sort of histories of the stories, Alice in Wonderland, Pinocchio, Snow White, Cinderella. Some good interactive stuff here. So yeah, really in depth. As a lot of people have said, it's very much like a museum, but really interesting stuff, especially if you like Disney. What do you think, Hannah?
So far.
There he is from Christopher Robin. I quite like that film myself. I think that is a stand-in item for him. Sorry, but he's lovely. Oh, Hannah's getting excited. Must be Beauty and the Beast. We like the animated version better, but there's some of the production models for Lumiere and Cogsworth. Coming into this hall, they've got a bit more Pirates of the Caribbean stuff. Over that side, you've got Jungle Cruise. They've got this cool little thing in the middle, the Peter Pan. Loads of little photo stops. There's some Star Wars stuff over there. We're going to have a look at that in a second. Got some cool little bits from one of the last Star Wars films. Got this little guy, Porg. BB-8. There it is, the classic Stormtrooper. Oh, here we are. There's something cool as well. Little lightsaber. Would you be a Jedi? Some Marvel stuff, the headgear. Star-Lord. Iron Man. Captain America. Ant-Man. There's a Black Widow outfit over there as well. Some cool stuff, just see the props in real life. Some of the famous music scores and music tracks obviously from the films all showcased in here. And there's a good little Mickey Mouse photo opportunity behind there if you get to come. Hannah's listening to It's a Small World. It's been stuck in her head for the rest of the week. Some cool like options to listen to. Disney music, Disney sound in here. Small World, Steamboat Willie, When You Wish Upon a Star, The Bare Necessities. Loads. Whole New World from Aladdin, Colours of the Wind. Good. It's quite interactive, it's quite good. A little section on their little inventions. Loads of them in here. Obviously most people know about the classic one. About the multi-pane camera that makes everything look 3D. Clever. It's clever. Who does it better, Rocket or Hannah?
When did you?
Like a little interactive play thing for information on the parks. Epcot, that's my favourite, so we'll look at that. Opening date 1982. Little celebration.
And then Tomorrowland.
Spaceship Earth. Figment. Oh, just cool stuff and information on here. Hannah's listening to more stuff about Epcot. There's Walt himself giving a little speech. Oh, here's a model of the Hong Kong Disney Castle of Dreams. Supposedly something happens to it, but not sure how to make it happen. Oh, here we go. Going over there to get a picture of Walt in a minute. And of course, with any good Disney experience, it ends in the gift shop. So we'll probably end up buying a few bits in here. Got some hoodies. Some t-shirts over here. Mug, not too bad. £12. It's quite a cool t-shirt. I like that Mickey Mouse, I'm not gonna lie. That's all Mickeys. Who'd have they had like a pin or something? See anything you like? I said, like with all good Disney experiences, they end in a gift store.
Yeah. Maybe
But yeah.
mugs.
Yeah,
This is quite cool.
yeah, good stuff. Price is not too bad. Sort of £30 for a Mickey or a Minnie,
Cheaper at
£30
Disney
for a
World.
t-shirt, £70 for a, you know, like an exclusive one. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh dear, just got out of there. It was alright, took us about hour and a half to get round. Like I said, loads of little interesting bits to read. I think it's definitely keyed up to more adults than kids, to be honest. There's a few bits for kids to do, but it's probably for sort of adults, especially if you like, you know, the old school movies and the shows and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, we ended up getting suckered in. We brought a Mickey Mouse. Have a look at this. We brought a Mickey Mouse. And I brought a book, you know, just like a guidebook sort of thing from in there. But yeah, all in all, that was good. So now we are going to grab a drink and head on home. So yeah, only a little short video for you, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you get a chance, definitely check out the exhibition. See you again.